Hello all. In this video, I am going to explain about a project which was built for Google Cloud Run Hackathon. And this project is basically how I built a recipe app that sees your ingredients with Google Gemini. So consider you have all been there, right? Staring into the fridge, looking into random ingredients and thinking what I can make, right? So this particular project basically says about the vibe coder recipe generator, an app which will turn a photo of your ingredients into a complete recipe. So I have built it using React, Tailwind CSS, and the magic of Google Gemini API. So the idea here is like you will be snapping a picture of what is in your fridge and you add a vibe like quick and easy or vegan or something spicy. So this particular app gives you a full recipe, a list of what you're missing, and even meal prep tips as well. And this is the app. And here you can see I've already uploaded an image of multiple ingredients, and I have clicked and I have given some preference called vegan, and I have generated my vibe coded recipe, and it have shown me a recipe or a stick herb and mushroom lentil bowl with zesty tahini drizzle and crispy flatbreads. So here you can see the prep time and cooking time and serves 4 servings. And here you can see the instruction shopping list, and if you're not having it, and then the meal prep. And I have also put it all this code in a GitHub, and in addition to that, I have also uh, created the project in Dev as well, Dev post. So kindly have a look on it and share your feedback. Thank you.